Okay, Surfing Life with Malcolm. Surf's up again today. People have asked me how much time do I have to do. So I'm going to give an example with our GSN. I'm going to go and log into my account this morning. You can follow along with yours. Remember, stop the video at any time you want. Pause, and I'll show you. I'll create 2 new accounts today. Put out 2 new loans. We'll cover a couple things. All right. So let's do that. Let's go to my GSN account. Here I am. Now log in. I should have done that already. Okay. So here we are. And I'll log in. And let's have a little look here. Up here at the top, let's go to, see in the gold, Surfing Life 001. So that's my first. I've been here at 6 days with this, I think. No, 4 days. Okay, 4 days. All right, even better. So Surfing Life, let's have a little do an account checkup. All right, I'm going to do an account checkup. Time for a checkup. Surfing Life 001, my first one. So let's have a look here. And okay, it was created on the 16th, so now we can do it. It's 5 days. I'm starting the morning, the 5th morning. Okay, so 4 days of the account running. And it shows, can I make this, I guess I can't. I thought I was able to magnify it. I can't do that. Okay, it shows right here I've earned $20 on this one, okay, in 4 days starting my 5th day. I go here and I have a look at Surfing Life number 2, sub account, right? And I've earned $20 there as well. You can see here, right? 2%, $20 bonus. 20. So I've got 1,020 to come back to me on that account. Remember, I have not spent any $1,000. I've only pledged to put the $1,000 out. What I have spent is $20 GST, right? So that's fine. Now number 3, let's go to 3. Number 3 account, it is $15. We can see here, $15, right? 15 GDP. I've earned 1.5% on that account so far. And account number 4, that one was on the 18th, right? And today is the 21st, that's only 2-3 days ago. And this one is $10, right? You can see here it's earned 1%, $10 so far. So I've earned, what have I earned? Let me do the math. I earned 20 and 20 and 15, so 55. And 10 is 65. And on this one, which was I did the same day, another $10, right? See here, this one's earned $10. So 75, and I did this one yesterday. Right, and this one's earned $5 already. So $80. I've earned $80 in interest. I have not spent any of my capital. It's pledged, right? It's pledged. Remember, if you watch the original show where I said GSN become your own bank, it's pledged to come out. So let's go back. I'll show you what I would do. Here's, people say, how much work you got to do? So you log into your account. And we're going to create a new loan. We're going to provide a sponsorship. So let's do that. I come up here, I'm going to create a new account. I'm doing everything right from scratch. So all of it would happen. I'm up to number 6. So I create a new account. I set a new account. So it's the same one, Surfing Life 007. This is the way you keep it in order. And Surfing Life 001, my original one, is the referrer for this account. Great. Success. Done. So now I'm going to provide, I go here and I'm going to provide sponsorship. So I click on that and it tells me, I look here at, yes, I know my address, OXF and 142A, right? I know that off by heart. I have $280 in GST credit. It's going to be $20 GST. I'm going to do $1,000 pledge, $1,000 loan. I agree to the terms. So I've checked here. I could go up to my MetaMask wallet, right, and log in and double check. Shake his head. Come on, naughty, naughty boy. All right, but I know it off by heart. Malcolm, let's get back there. So I'm doing $1,000. I'm gonna double check, right? I'm looking at 007. Yes, I'm double checking. I agree. Provide sponsorship. And I have $280 in GST. and I provide the sponsorship. Success. And it's done. I look and my ticket was, here it is. Okay, created on the 21st. It's the 21st today where I live. I know most of you folks are in US and Canada, right? So it's only Sunday night, the 20th there, but it's Monday morning, the 21st, 9 o'clock in the morning. And I've created a ticket. Fantastic. I want to do more than one a day. You know, I'm already into this for what, 4 days? I'm into my 5th day. I'm doing, if I do 2 a day, at the end of the 16 odd days, I'll have 32 odd accounts out there. So I'll be earning double the $80. I found out today from my sponsor, some of them are paying $85 odd coming back, right? Depends on how it's working with this business. It could be even more over that 16-day period, right? So I'm going to do it again. I'm going to create another account. I'm going to do 2 for today. But I do not want to go on this one, right? This is 007 I just created. So I'm going to double check and I go back to my gold one, my original primary account. Make sure I'm on my primary account, right? And so when I'm on my primary account, I'm going to create a new account. So I do that and I create SurfingLife 00, and I was 7 before, so I'm 008. Okay, and I do my original account, my 001 is my referrer, and I create it. Success. So I'm done there. See, I'm up at 008, up the top here. And I say, yes, provide a sponsor. And I know this is my one. I double check. You know, I want you when you're new, go up here, log in and double check, right? Double check and say, yes, that's my address. But here we are. Let's go back to that and get my sponsor. And I want to make sure I'm not on, it's always preset to the 500. I'm out for making the most, right? So I'm going to make sure, and I put in 1,000. I click agree and provide sponsorship. Success. Submitted. There's my ticket. So now I can see, if I go here, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 accounts now. I can create up to 99 sub-accounts. I can have 100 accounts. See, my GST just dropped $40. It was $280 when we started this. Now it's at $240. So my expense for today was $40. What happens in 16 days time? These 2 accounts I created today will come due. So we can see here, this one will come due, and I'm already 4 days in that. So I've only got 12 odd days, and I earn myself $80 odd in bonus, right? Actual money. And then earn another 80, and another 80, and another. You saw that from before. So that's pretty simple, correct? That was pretty simple for you guys starting out to be able to create and do your account. Now, for the folks to say, okay, what about when you're collecting? Well, when you're collecting, it will show here, it will say it's time to make the payment on this. And to do that, I did the video for you, so watch that and you'll see. You make the payment, you send the money, very simple. That's in that's the original, become your own bank. And I send the money, you send your USDT, you get the confirmation number from the blockchain. I've showed you how to do that as well. And when you do that, it's confirmed. And the next day, the money's in your where? Here, your MetaMask wallet, your own personal wallet. And it's growing. Fantastic. Be your own bank, right? GSN is the answer for all you people to create your own bank, to be able to go out there and do what banks do. What do banks do? They use your money to make more money. The key to life in business is have a core business. Whatever you do, I have a core network marketing business. It's great. It pays me in the thousands of dollars every week commission. So what do? You learn to make your money make even more money, right? Learn to make your crypto make even more crypto. So take a percentage. If you're working on a job, a wage, a mechanic, a builder, you're working in a factory, you're at your Costco checkout gal, whatever it is, take a percentage of that income you're earning and put it into something. Well, I can't think of many things better where you don't have to sponsor people, where you're able to run this just yourself if you wanted to, right? And you can go out there and build yourself a bank. and you're pledging loans and you're getting your interest back in 16 days. You show me a business that's legit. I showed you all the licenses in the original video. You show me a business where you can go out and for 24-hour exposure. Why 24 hours? Because you pledge it, and in 16 days when it comes due, you make the payment, and the next day you have your payment back. So you're only exposed for 24 hours. You can take $1,000 and turn it into $1,080. Earn yourself 8%. That's pretty good dough. So if you're doing that every day and you're doing 1 contract a day, that's 8% every day. If you're doing 2 contracts a day, you're getting 16% return on your money every day that's happening. On that not all of it, on that money that's going out there. So, you know, you could have yourself a $1,700 a month income. You could have a $3,000 a month income. You could have a $14,000 income. Or Juha, you could have a really big rainstorm just hit. You hear it? I love living in the tropics. Or you can have the surf goes dead flat when the rainstorm comes. Or you could have a $40,000 or $60,000. So great. Look in the link in the description below. Check out the whole library. I even have, for being a member here, I even have a fantastic, I've added Crypto Academy. I've added 18 phenomenal clips, teach you everything about crypto. So thanks. You guys are welcome. Here's the big storm. You hear that? Isn't that something? Love living in the tropics.